Okay, so now let's talk about how we stack these strikes together in combination. So this is when the mid pads are really effective. We have Miss Alex going to help us out. She's been training here for about a year, and you can see how the strikes will progress. So in another year, her strikes will be even better. So the important thing about this is when we put these combinations together, you can use these combinations to start striking your adversary. You always use your ERT first. So this is the perfect time to talk about our emergency response technique. ERT is the first thing I'm going to use if somebody attacks me. And then you follow it up with other strikes. So the combination here is going to be 2 open palm strikes and then 2 hammer fist strikes. So you're watching how Miss Alex is delivering the strikes and then how Sensei Joe is receiving the strikes on the pad. So we'll come and see. So we have 2 open palms and 2 hammer fists. So now as she's going through, you can see she's making like a TS sound, like a tss. So that's allowing her to expel the air from her body, keeping her abs tight so she can actually absorb a strike because she's tightening up, and then she's adding more power to her strike. So she's coming through. Every strike has one. Last time, 2 open palms, 2 hammer fists. And that's your first combo.